Are you one of those who think success comes only to the lucky ones? That maybe luck is the reason some people seem to have it all? Or is there something far deeper, a force you can tap into, hidden right within your reach? Today, we're diving into the power of words, simple, everyday words that, when repeated with the right intention, can shift your entire reality. Imagine being able to direct your thoughts, lift your energy, and align yourself with what you desire. And the best part? It's not about luck. It's about learning how to use a specific phrase that aligns you with abundance, love, and opportunity. You see, there's a concept that few truly understand, something much deeper than chance. According to Bob Proctor and the teachings of the law of attraction, the words we choose to say each day have the power to shape our lives. Not just a bit, but entirely down to what we attract, the people we meet, and the opportunities that come our way. So, if you've ever wondered why some people seem to have it all while others struggle, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll discover a powerful phrase that, when repeated daily, helps unlock the door to your true potential. Now, this isn't about luck, coincidence, or even good fortune. It's about consciously creating the energy you send out and becoming someone who attracts good things effortlessly. Today, you'll learn the hidden power behind this phrase and why it works. We'll explore the science and reasoning behind it, and why it's a core part of the law of attraction that often goes overlooked. By committing to this practice, you'll notice things shifting in ways you never thought possible. So, stay with us till the end, because this video could very well be the key you've been searching for. A simple phrase that can help open doors, shift circumstances, and bring you closer to your dreams. You don't want to miss this. Welcome to your channel name, where we bring you powerful insights, timeless wisdom, and the tools to manifest the life you deserve. If you're ready to take control of your reality, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Let's unlock the secrets to making your life what you want it to be starting right now. Words. They're more powerful than we often realize. Each word you say has its own energy, a vibration that reaches deeper than you might think. Imagine words as the seeds of thought. The more you use certain words, the more they plant ideas in your mind, shaping how you feel and ultimately how you see the world. Words lead to thoughts, and these thoughts build into beliefs that define our reality. When you consistently repeat a word or phrase, you're feeding your mind with a specific energy, a focus that grows stronger over time. Bob Proctor understood this deeply. In his teachings on the law of attraction, he emphasized that words, especially those we repeat daily, act as a magnet for our experiences. Think about it. If you're constantly saying, "I can't," or "I'm unlucky," you're aligning yourself with that belief. But if you shift those words to something like, "I am capable," or "I attract opportunities," you're setting a completely different course. According to Proctor, it's this focus, this intentional choice of words, that creates your experience. Now, this isn't just a positive thinking exercise. It's about retraining the mind to concentrate on what you desire, rather than on what you fear or want to avoid. When you say something repeatedly, your mind starts to accept it as truth, whether you fully believe it at first or not. Proctor would often say that our subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. It accepts what you continually tell it. So, if your words are filled with confidence and positivity, they gradually rewire your thoughts to align with that energy. And this is where affirmations come in. Affirmations are more than just motivational sayings. They're tools to direct your focus and energy, to help you build beliefs that support the life you want. According to Proctor, these affirmations create mental pathways, like grooves in your brain, where each repetition deepens the impact. When you affirm something consistently, you're not just saying words, you're creating a mental pathway that shapes how you feel, act, and respond. In Proctor's view, it's all about where your energy is flowing. If you fill your thoughts with statements of abundance, like "I am open to receiving all the good the universe has to offer," you're programming your mind to look for that abundance everywhere. On the other hand, if you're always saying things like, "I never get what I want," then your mind, trained by your own words, will seek evidence to support that belief. So imagine the power of choosing words with purpose. You're not just speaking to yourself in the moment, you're setting a foundation for your beliefs, your actions, and ultimately your reality. Words are more than sounds, they are forces that shape your future. Each time you repeat them, you're guiding yourself toward a particular path, and with the right words, that path becomes one of opportunity, growth, and fulfillment. What if everything you've been told about luck isn't the whole story? We're often taught that luck is some mysterious force that blesses a few while bypassing others. But what if, as Bob Proctor suggests, luck is simply an illusion? What if you could create your own circumstances not by chance, but by directing your energy and beliefs? Think about it. If luck alone determined success, there would be no common threads, no patterns to the lives of those who consistently achieve their goals. But when we look closer, we see that successful people tend to focus on what they want, not on what they fear. They're intentional with their thoughts, their words, and the energy they send out. Proctor believed that this focused energy is what creates reality, not random luck, but a deliberate shaping of circumstances through thought and belief. When you shift from hoping for luck to setting a clear intention, you're stepping into a powerful role as a creator in your life. Instead of thinking, "Maybe I'll get lucky," you're saying, "I am aligning with what I desire." This isn't wishful thinking, it's a conscious choice to focus your energy on your goals. You're not leaving it up to chance. You're lifting your vibration, setting a frequency that attracts the things you want into your life. Proctor emphasized the importance of vibration, which, simply put, is the energy you radiate. Imagine walking into a room and instantly sensing the mood that's vibration at work. Everything, including our thoughts and emotions, has a vibration, and the higher and more positive your vibration, the more you attract positive experiences. So instead of relying on luck, Proctor's approach is about raising this vibration, focusing on thoughts, words, and actions that align with what you desire. The truth is, when you depend on luck, you're in a state of passivity. You're waiting, hoping that something outside of you will change your circumstances. But when you act with intention, you're actively participating in the creation of your life. By choosing your thoughts and emotions with purpose, you're setting a higher energy that pulls in the outcomes you want. So rather than thinking, "I hope this works out," try, "I am aligning my energy with success." Luck may be random, but intention is a focused force. By choosing to lift your vibration, you shift from being a passive recipient to a deliberate creator. Sometimes, all it takes is a few simple words to shift your entire mindset. Imagine waking up each day and saying, "I am open to abundance in all areas of my life." These aren't just words. They're a signal to your mind and the universe that you're ready to receive. When you repeat this phrase with true belief, it becomes more than just a saying. It's a declaration, a way of training your mind to recognize the potential for abundance around you. Now, you may wonder how saying a phrase like this every day could have such an impact. The answer lies in the power of repetition. When you repeat words consistently, your brain begins to accept them as true, even if you don't fully believe it at first. This is because each repetition strengthens certain neural pathways in your brain. Over time, this rewiring shifts your focus and beliefs to align more closely with abundance, making it easier to notice opportunities and feel positive about the possibilities around you. This isn't just a random habit, it's a way of conditioning your mind. Scientists have shown that our brains are remarkably flexible, adapting based on the thoughts and beliefs we reinforce. Each time you repeat the phrase, I am open to abundance in all areas of my life, you're reinforcing a mindset of openness and gratitude. You're training your brain to look for evidence of abundance in your daily life. And as your mind shifts, so does your reality. The beauty of this practice is that it's simple but incredibly effective. Repeating this phrase daily is like planting seeds in a garden. At first, you may not see the results, but over time, as you nurture these words with belief, they grow into a mindset that attracts what you desire. Each repetition builds momentum, gradually transforming your perspective from scarcity to abundance. With each day, the phrase sinks deeper, becoming a natural part of how you think and feel. By repeating I am open to abundance in all areas of my life, you're creating a steady stream of positive, focused energy that aligns with what you truly want. This alignment is powerful. It's not just about changing your thoughts, but about shifting the entire way you approach life, allowing abundance to flow naturally into every area. To truly unlock the power of this phrase, timing and focus are key. When you say, I am open to abundance in all areas of my life, the moment you choose to repeat it matters. Start with the morning. It's a powerful time, as your mind is still fresh and open. Make this the first thought you consciously place in your mind, setting a tone of positivity and possibility for the day ahead. Then, repeat it again before you sleep, letting it be the last message your mind absorbs as you drift off. These moments are ideal for affirmations because your mind is most receptive. And it's not just about timing, it's about feeling each word with real conviction. Imagine abundance as a flowing energy ready to enter your life, and let yourself feel the openness and gratitude that come with it. The more emotion you can bring into your words, the stronger their impact becomes. Don't just say the phrase, truly feel it. Visualize what abundance looks and feels like for you, allowing yourself to fully embrace that sense of expansion. This phrase is also incredibly helpful during times of doubt or uncertainty. Whenever you feel blocked, repeat, I am open to abundance in all areas of my life. Ground yourself in these words, and let them remind you of the energy you wish to embody. In moments of stress, this phrase can help realign your thoughts and bring you back to a positive, open state. Remember, it's not about repeating words mechanically, it's about tapping into their energy and allowing them to create a shift within you. When you feel the words, you're communicating to the universe and your subconscious mind that you're ready to receive. Each repetition, with genuine feeling, plants this belief deeper, helping you align more strongly with abundance. So say it with intention. Let the words carry weight. Make each repetition a conscious choice, a moment where you actively choose to believe in abundance and open yourself to it. Over time, this practice will feel natural, becoming a core part of how you think and experience life. Affirmations aren't just words for many people. They've been a gateway to genuine transformation. Countless individuals have found that by making affirmations a daily habit, they can shift their mindset, overcome challenges, and open doors to opportunities they once thought were out of reach. It's a simple practice, but one that, when done with intention, has helped people reframe their entire lives. These words, spoken repeatedly and with conviction, become part of the belief system that drives actions, decisions, and the way people view their world. This concept is at the heart of Bob Proctor's teachings. Proctor believed that inner belief is the foundation of external success. According to him, what you believe about yourself and the world around you directly impacts the results you achieve. By nurturing positive beliefs through affirmations, You're planting the seeds of a future aligned with your deepest desires. If you consistently focus on abundance, joy, and success, then those qualities begin to reflect in your reality. What's fascinating is that affirmations tap into the subconscious mind, where our most deep-seated beliefs reside. Proctor emphasized that your subconscious doesn't differentiate between what's real and imagined, it simply absorbs what you feed it. When people repeat affirmations, they're feeding their subconscious with empowering beliefs. Over time, these beliefs build a solid foundation that helps them move through life with confidence, resilience, and an open mind. For those who commit to this practice, affirmations become a way of life. Each phrase, spoken with purpose, reinforces the idea that they are capable, worthy, and aligned with abundance. It's a quiet, powerful transformation that often leads to visible, real-world changes, whether that's finding success in business, attracting meaningful relationships, or simply feeling a greater sense of peace and fulfillment. The shift begins inside, and as Proctor teaches, those inner beliefs naturally manifest into the external results we experience. In the end, the power of affirmations lies in their ability to shape the beliefs that guide us. Through intentional, repeated words, people are not only changing their thoughts but reshaping their future, building a life that aligns with the vision they hold. This is more than just positive thinking, it's a profound, personal commitment to growth and transformation. To see real change, consistency is key. Commit to this practice every day and watch as your reality begins to shift in ways you never thought possible. Remember, it's not about hoping for luck. It's about tapping into the power within you. The energy you put out shapes your experiences and brings abundance into your life. So forget about luck. The true power lies within you, waiting to be activated by your thoughts, words, and beliefs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on creating the life you desire. Thanks for watching.